Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have another bins haul. This is all items for my junk journaling, and yeah, so let's get into it. I found some really awesome items today. There was obviously somebody that donated a whole bunch of vintage books, and these are awesome. Some of them are super old. So here is a Heidi one. I don't have this one. I've actually never seen it, but it is a 1982 reprint from 1954. I think that's really cute. So that'll be fun. And then I also found this one called Treat Shop. I think that this is, oh yeah, it's a school book. So it is super cute. A lot of color illustrations on all of your page, I think. This is a lot of fun. Looks like there are actual stories that that everybody's heard of, and then there's other stories. I was gonna see, yeah, like the Sleeping Beauty, some folk tales in there, and Grimm's fairy tales are in here. So this is really fun. And then, oh, this one, it does have a little damage on the book, but I think this would make a really cute cover. It needs to be cleaned up. I'm not sure if that'll come off. It may. It looks like it's just like food or something. And there's a little wrinkle right here, but I think that is really neat. And then there is a Baby's Mother Goose Pat Cake book, which I've never seen this one before either. And it says it's from 1973. This is adorable. It's really cute. This one is called Looking Ahead, Reading for Meaning, and this is another school book. And it looks like this one will have color illustrations on almost every page too. Yeah, it looks like they on almost all of them. So this is really neat. This looks like it's from the 50s. Just looking at the hairstyles and clothing. Really cool. Let's see what it says. 1950. Yeah. That's awesome. Very cool. And then I love this one for the cover. I thought at first it was a Reader's Digest, but it isn't. It's called Silas Marner. Never heard of that. But it is an old book. So I thought the cover would be great for a junk journal. This one doesn't have a date in it. Not that I could see, so I'm not sure. But I love that. It's kind of a purple color, burgundy or purple. At least that's what it looks like to me. And then I found a Holly Hobby nursery rhymes, and I do need to wash it. It's got some stuff on it. These books were all from the bins, so that I paid 59 cents a pound. So like this one has $1, but I didn't pay that. Obviously somebody tried to sell it at a yard sale or something like that. But this has really cute pictures in it. I grew up with Holly Hobby, and my mom made my sister and I a whole bedroom of Holly Hobby. So we had the sheets, and we had like wall decor and curtains and all of that. So I love that. And then another couple random things that I found. I just found a few envelopes. These envelopes with the polka dots on them. There was only 3, but I love including envelopes in my journals. And then the last thing I found this time was a set of rubber stamps. the wood ones. I think they were Stampin' Up, and I'm going to try and get them open here for you. This is a set of 4, and it comes with the Santa with his sleigh and reindeer, and then there is a Valentine's one. It's really cute. A fall one with pumpkins and the gourd, or the basket, I guess. And then this is just more of a springtime one with flowers. So yeah, that is what I found this time. Hopefully you are able to find some cool stuff at the thrift store, or if you have a bins, that's awesome. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.